Today we're learning two new pronouns in Arabic, huwa and hiya. These are for when we're talking about someone, not talking to them. If I'm talking about a man, I say huwa. And if I'm talking about a woman, I say hiya. Let's look at this picture together. We'll use it to make simple sentences about a boy using huwa. Here are some examples. 1. هو يجلس في غرفته. هو يجلس في غرفته. Let's break down the word غرفته. The original word is غرفة. It means a room. When we say غرفته, we are adding the attached pronoun ها to show possession, his. So غرفة becomes غرفته, his room. Notice the kasra under the ta. That's because it comes after the preposition fi. And in Arabic, that usually causes a kasra on the last letter of the original noun. 2. يلبس ثيابا خضرا. يلبس ثيابا خضرا. 3. يفكر في الماضي والمستقبل. يفكر في الماضي والمستقبل. 4. ينظر إلى يساره. ينظر إلى يساره. Now let's try some negative sentences. We'll say what he's not doing. هو لا يبتسم. هو لا يبتسم. 2. لا يتكلم مع أحد. لا يتكلم مع أحد. All of these verbs start with the letter ya. That tells us the subject is for he. Now let's talk about هي, she. هي تجلس في غرفتها. هي تجلس في غرفتها. Wait, didn't we already see verbs that start with te or tu? Yes, that was in the ente episode when we were talking to one person. So how can we tell the difference? It's all about context. Let's look quickly at غرفتها. We already know غرفة means room. And the ending ha shows it belongs to her. So this just means her room. Same idea as before, just a different pronoun. And if we were talking to a man, like saying your room, we'd say غرفتك. I want to share with you just a part of the verse from the Quran that's related to our lesson today. It's from the story of Prophet Musa. When one of the two girls came to him, the Quran says, تمشي على استحياء, which means she came walking with modesty. The reason I chose this is because I want you to focus on the verb تمشي and connected it clearly with هي, she. This will help you remember the correct form of the verb and not mix it up with أنت تمشي, you walk. The context makes it easy to recognize that تمشي here is for a girl, and this kind of example helps you understand and remember it more naturally.